Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are all doing well. And if you are new here, hi, I'm Shahnaz Shimul. I'm a makeup artist. I do makeup and hairstyle tutorials and DIY videos. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave and click the bell button so you can always get the notification. So today I'm going to do a red glitter makeup tutorial which is perfect for a wedding party, or if you are the bride yourself, you can do this makeup on your reception, or even if you have a red sari like this, you can do this look. Please like and share the video to support my channel. So without a further ado, let's get started. So first I'm gonna draw my eyebrow with my Freedom eyebrow pomade and the shade is Ebony, and I'm using my Makeup Geek dual-ended brow brush, and then I'm gonna draw my eyebrow. If you want an in-depth tutorial on my eyebrow routine, I have a separate video on that. I'll put the link in the description box below. Please check that out. If you are going on an Asian party, or if you're doing a bridal look or reception look, you need to do your eyebrow heavy-handed, but yet you need to look trendy. So that's why I'm using this dark shade. And then I'm gonna take my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer, and the shade is C7. This is a yellow tone concealer, and oh my god, this concealer is just like a bomb. It's just a dupe of Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. And I'm applying this on my lid, and it's gonna act as a eye primer, and also I'm gonna carving out my eyebrow with this concealer. And then I'm blending this concealer with my MAC 252 large shader brush. For my eye makeup today, I'm going to use Makeup Revolution and Soph Does Nail Collaboration palette, and from this palette I'm taking this very light shade and applying this under my eyebrow and my inner corner. Now I'm gonna taking this orange shade from the palette, and the name is Pumpkin, and I'm applying this on my crease as a transition color, and for this I'm using my Sigma E35 tapered blending brush. After that I am taking this red brick eyeshadow, and the shade name is Danger, and I am applying this on my crease again. Now I'm intensify the color, and for this I'm using my Zoeva pencil brush. I'm taking my Sigma blending brush again and blending the edges so there is no harsh line. As you can see, I'm using a sellotape here because I want a very crisp angle eye makeup today. Now I'm taking this black eyeshadow called Nightmare, and with the help of a pointed pencil brush, I'm applying this on my outer corner and my inner corner. You don't need to be very precise here, just apply the black eyeshadow on your outer corner and inner corner. Then I'm blending this black eyeshadow with my Zoeva pencil brush again. Before I'm gonna do my rest of the eye makeup, I'm just removing my sellotape. And now I'm gonna apply my Makeup Revolution concealer with a Zoeva flat eyeshadow brush, and I'm gonna cut my crease, and I'm applying the concealer on the middle of my eyelid. Now I'm gonna use this gold eyeshadow called Grow Old, and using the same eyeshadow brush, I'm applying this eyeshadow on the middle of my lid where I have already applied the concealer. You don't need to be very perfect here because we are gonna apply glitter afterwards. Now this is optional part. I'm taking my eyeliner and making a line on my eyelid. So I'm gonna skip that area because I'm gonna apply my eyeliner there, if it does make sense. Now I'm applying my e.l.f. glitter glue, and after that I'm gonna apply my favorite Certifeye glitter in the shade Gold, and I'm applying this on the middle of my lid. And now I'm gonna apply my NYX matte liquid liner, and I'm gonna make a fierce wing line. This eyeliner is quite new for me, but I'm loving it. This is a very black color and it dries completely matte, and I'm making a fierce wing here. If you are not a big fan of it, you can make a short wing. Now I'm going to apply the black eyeshadow again on my outer part and my inner corner, and I'm actually re-intensify the color. And for this I'm using my pointed pencil brush again. After that, I'm gonna curl my eyelashes with my lash curler, and I'm gonna apply few coat of mascara, and this is NYC Big Lash Mascara. Now I'm gonna apply a pair of false lashes, and these are the Girls with Attitude Fantasy lashes, and for this I'm using my duo lash glue. I love my duo lash adhesive. They're super strong and this is the clear color. And now I'm reapplying my eyeliner again to hide my lash band. With the help of a makeup remover wipe, I'm wiping out any fallout from my face. Now I'm going to start doing my face makeup. First I'm gonna do some skincare and I'm gonna prepare my face for my makeup. I'm applying Embryolisse eye roll here. If you have puffy eyes or if you have dark circle or wrinkle, this eye roll gonna help you. And now I'm gonna apply the moisturizer, which is no wonder Embryolisse Cream Concentrate. As you can see, it's almost finished, and I'm gonna apply this on my face. This is like a 2-in-1 moisturizer. You can use this as a moisturizer or you can use this as a makeup primer if you want. But for today's makeup, I'm gonna apply my NYX Angel Veil Primer. This primer is amazing. It gonna helps you to blend your foundation 10 times better, and it will blur your pores and your makeup will last all day long. Now I'm gonna color correct my face with a Maybelline color correcting pen, and the shade is red. I saw the Bangladeshi YouTuber Nabila Noor always use this one, so I thought I should give it a try. You have to twist it and you will see the color is coming out. It looks totally red and I was a little bit scared at the first time because I have pigmentation around my mouth area, but it's not that dark, and I have some dark circle as well. So yeah, let's see. So I'm applying this under my eye area as well, but I think I was a bit much. It does look very scary, I know, and yeah, I think I messed up.
What is wrong? The hell?
Yeah, so I had to fix this. And then I use my damp beauty sponge and I'm dabbing this on top of the color corrector, and yeah, now it looks good and now it looks orange rather than red. So yeah, always start with less product when you are using a new makeup product, you know. And now I'm gonna apply foundation. This is my most favorite foundation right now, which is a Maybelline Superstay foundation, and my shade is Warm Sun. Oh my god, look at the coverage. This foundation covering everything on my face, literally everything. And this is a very long lasting foundation as well. I have a very oily nose and forehead, and it gonna last almost 6 to 7 hours without touching up. So if you are oily skin or normal skin or whatever skin you have, you need to try this foundation ASAP. And don't forget your ear while you are applying foundation, otherwise it's gonna look you are wearing a mask. I have already talked about this concealer at the very beginning of this video, and this is Makeup Revolution concealer and the shade is C7. This is a yellow tone concealer and this is 2-3 shades lighter than my skin tone, and that's why I'm using this to highlight my face. I'm applying this under my eye area, around my mouth area, on the bridge of my nose, on my chin and my forehead. This concealer is a full coverage concealer, and I can tell this is the exact dupe of Tarte Shape Tape concealer. So if you find the Tarte Shape Tape is too expensive for you, you should try this one. This one is only £4. To set my foundation and concealer, I'm gonna use this Makeup Revolution loose setting powder and the shade is Lace. I like this powder because it will give you a very beautiful bridal glow, but it will not make you like a ghostly pale, and you will look very good on photo as well. And then I'm gonna dusting off excess powder and set my rest of the face with Maybelline Superstay powder. And now I'm gonna finish my rest of the eye makeup. I'm gonna apply the same red brick eyeshadow and black eyeshadow and blending my lower lash line. And now I'm gonna re-intensify my inner corner highlight again. Moving on to my face makeup, I'm gonna contour my face with a NYX contour kit, and I'm contouring my cheek area, my nose and my jawline. Now I'm gonna add some color on my cheek, and I'm gonna apply this blush from Makeup Revolution palette, and I'm using my Real Technique stippling brush for this. Then for the bridal glow, I'm gonna use this gold highlighter from my Makeup Revolution Soph palette, and for this I'm applying my blank canvas F15 brush, and I'm applying the highlighter on my cheekbone, on my upper lips and bridge of my nose. If you are wearing a red sari, you have to wear a red lipstick, in my opinion. And this is why I'm gonna apply my Maybelline Superstay lipstick, and the shade is Pioneer. This is a beautiful red lipstick, and now I'm gonna set my makeup with my Barry M matte setting spray, and I'm gonna spray all over my face. And yeah, here I'm done. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family. You can follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, especially because I'm very active on Snapchat. All are Shahnaz Shimul, and I'll put the link in the description box as well. If you want the product list, you can always check the description box below. And please let me know what kind of makeup tutorial or video you want to see next. So see you all in my next tutorial. Until then, bye.